Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 3. Today we are going to download the Screaming Frog tool from the official website of the Screaming Frog, and we are going to install, but I have already installed this one. You can also install this bad boy. So go to the Google. First of all, we have discussed about the Screaming Frog and also the spy glasses tools or overall tools in our previous lectures. Okay, now here you have to find, or you can find, the screaming frog. Okay, so now as you can see, the first result is here. This is a spider, SEO spider, screaming frog. The screaming frog SEO spider is a small desktop PC or Mac which crawls the website links, images, CSS, and blah blah blah. Okay, now here as you can see, it's showing you the business profile. Just click on this bad boy. Okay, now you have the detailed informations available here. So this is the official website of the Screaming Frog. So it's screamingfrog.co.uk. okay, now you can also view the pricing, because this tool is not for free. You have some if you download the free versions, you have the limited resources or the options. Okay, now as you can see, if you are going to download the free version, you can find the broken links, analysis, but the limit is 500 URLs. You cannot let's suppose if you have thousands of pages or millions of pages, you cannot use the free version. You have to upgrade your plan from free to paid version. So in a paid version, so now as you can see, you can crawl the unlimited pages, and also they have some other form based authentications, blah blah blah. So this is the price of the product, which is a Screaming Frog, and how can you buy and renew. So this is the documentations of the buy and the renew. You can just click on you have to provide the email and purchase the license. Okay, now download. How can you download? So when you click on the download button, so now as you can see, a pop-up appears. Just click on the download. Now I am the Windows user, so now as you can see, this is the Windows 10. If you have some other kind of OS like Mac, you can also download the related version. So as you can see, use different versions. So it's Windows, Mac, Ubuntu. This is the Linux flavor. Okay, now I am the Windows user, that's why I'm clicking this bad boy. Okay, now I'm going to store this in the documents folder. So this is a Screaming Frog 12.6 is the versions of the Screaming Frog, and it's a 242 MB file size. So wait for a few seconds. So now I have already downloaded and I have already installed this one. What you just need to install by clicking yes or next. Okay, now I have downloaded. What you need, just open your Screaming Frog. So now as you can see, you have this application Screaming Frog here, or you can also check the Screaming Frog here at your desktop. It's really depend upon your operating system. I don't have a shortcut here. So now I have to find Screaming Frog. Once you open your Screaming Frog, what you need, just need to copy your URL and paste your URL here. That means I'm going to crawl all the informations from this particular website. It's a shakesy.com. If you have xyz.com website, what you just need, go to your website and copy the link and paste here and click on the start button. It takes time to fetch all the informations from your websites. It's totally depend upon your website. If you have a static websites, if you have more than 10 or only 10 pages, it takes minimum 10 to 20 seconds to fetch all the information. But if you have thousands of web pages or thousands of links or millions of links, then definitely it takes time to fetch all the informations from the particular website. Okay, in my case, I'm using shakesy.com. So you can see I have 100% completed. It took 40 minutes to get the informations. So I have, I think, more than 5 to 10,000 pages. Okay, now as you can see, it's showing you the graph here, and if you click on the API, it will give you the link for the API. You can also connect with your analytics, Google Search Console, and Ahref and mouse also. Just click on the response time. So this is the response time. If you click on the structure, it will show you the structure of your site, and this is the overview of your website. On the right hand side, on the left hand side, as you can see, you have few links: internal, external, protocol, response, URL, pages, meta, and something like that. We'll discuss about these links in our later lectures, but for now I have fetched all the informations, 100% completed. If you want to just check the images, just click on the images. It will give you the information about your images available on this website. As you can see, it's showing you the missing alt tag. So this is the, when you click on this one, so as you can see, it's showing you the images, missing alt tag of the images. You can also select from here. So these options and these options are the same, because this is the filter and this is also the filters. Okay, if you click on the all, it will show you the all informations about your images. So this is the address and this is the content. You have a JPEG or GIF images, whatever images you have, the size of the image and the link IMG. Okay, if I click on the missing alt tag, so now as you can see, it will give you the images. Just copy this bad boy and go to the website, paste this bad boy here. So this is the image I have. Wait for a second. Okay, so this is the image I have I already available on my website, so without alt tag. So if you want to check the H1, just click on the H1 and it will show you the duplicate H1, missing H1, over 70 characters, and we have a lot of functionality available here. Okay, what happens if you want to export this information? That means duplicate. What you need, just need to go to the check your filters, go to the export, click on the export, and it will give you the informations in the CSV format. So now as you can see, it's showing you the CSV format. I'm going to save this here in the document, save. So go to the document, and now I'm saying H1. So this is the information I have just exported. Just click this one, and as you can see, this is the link, and this is the occurrence, and this is the H1, and also this is the H1 length, and this is the first, this is the actual H1, and second H1, third H1, and blah blah blah, something like that. You can also export all these functionality or all these records from by using this particular tool. We'll discuss about some other functionality for Screaming Frog, but for now I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to continue the Screaming Frog, so you guys can easily understand how can you use the Screaming Frog. So I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button because you never miss the update. So thank you for watching.